Yeah, so Leeuwin Metals recently purchased the Marda Gold Project from Ramelius for $500,000 in script. We think it's a really good value deal for our shareholders and allows us to unlock some exploration potential at the project. The project's about 120, 150 k's north of Southern Cross. And from what we see in the data to date, there's numerous targets already that are along strike from existing pits, down dip, and all the things you want to see when you're looking for gold. And the best place to find gold is next to a gold mine. That puts us in a really good position for 2025 to go out there, do exploration and create some value with the drill bit. And hopefully we deliver on that. And 2025 should be a very busy year for us on the exploration front, delivering lots of news to market from early stage conceptual type targets all the way to drilling and looking at resource definition in time. Already we've seen the market engage with us. The share price has doubled since the acquisition, which we think is a really good endorsement of the strategy that we've executed on. When we were looking for projects, we were looking for gold opportunities in Western Australia, on mining leases, near infrastructure, and Marda ticked all those boxes. And then when you get more into the data, you see numerous kind of plus 10, 20, 25 metre wide zones at kind of 1.5, 2 gram intercepts all around the place. And we're currently working through that, divining more specific targets we'll be able to drill in the coming kind of months and years. And I think more broadly, it kind of means that any discovery we make out there, it's on a mining lease, you've got good infrastructure and you can get it to a mill. And I think part of that kind of strategy and looking for opportunities is we want to make discoveries that have a real chance of becoming economic and commercial. Yeah, so obviously we're aware the gold price has done really well in Aussie dollar terms and in US dollar terms over the last 12 months. And I think that's kind of spurred a lot of exploration interest in the gold sector. And when you look at the broader kind of pool of companies to invest in, there's not a lot out there as far as small kind of market cap companies that have real gold projects in Western Australia. And so for us, we've got about a 5 million market cap, highly leveraged to exploration success. And then where the project sits about 150 k's north of Southern Cross. So you've got Edna May, you're not too far from Mount Ida and the Ora Banda's mill out there near Menzies. And then more broadly, we've seen the acquisition of the Bullabulling gold mine as well recently. And that's looking like they plan to build another mill there already. And I think that's part of the appeal of the strategic location of our project, Marda, is that you have so many options if you were to find something. And that's kind of the beauty of Western Australia and the ecosystem that exists in the gold space. We announced the purchase of Marda at the very end of December, on the 20th of December. So we've got to get through completion. That'll be completed by the end of Feb. And then beyond that, we get the keys effectively. So today we've been busy working over the Christmas period, looking at targets, refining targets. We're in the process of refining and reinterpreting the whole geology of the project, and that covers all the prospects. There's 8 existing pits out there, it's over 500 square k's of tenure. There's a few 100,000 meters of drilling, and we're currently going through that kind of very tedious, detail-orientated process to generate some really high-impact exploration targets. And we're seeing that already in the data. So looking forward to this year, we know that there's opportunities as far as geochemical conceptual targets, rock chips, but there's already drill targets out there that have resource potential. And I think that's going to be the real driver for Leeuwin shareholders over the next kind of 12 months is getting out there, testing ideas, extensions with the drill bit, and in time delivering resources.